Hello everyone, my name is Arohi Gupta and I'm from class 7. Today I'm going to talk about historians and their sources. What sources of history? There are two types of sources of history. Number one, archaeological sources. We talk about medieval time. Okay, first is archaeological sources and second is literary sources of medieval time history. First, we talk about archaeological sources. Archaeological sources are generally in hard forms. Archaeological sources are basically the material evidence like historical buildings, coins, inscriptions, and other remains that gives important and detailed information pertaining to a particular period. It provides us with a more unbased information. There are some examples of archaeological sources like pillars, sculptures, coins, inscriptions, statues, clothes, bronze, etc. Now we talk about literary sources. Literary sources are the data which is received in the form of in written form or forms which describe the nature of the society of ancient times. Sources incorporate knowledge in impression, automated and visual compositions such as books, letters, journal, and investigation reports. There are some example of literally sources. Okay, scribe. What a scribe can do. The scribe is someone who can write at a reasonable speed or over prolonged periods time or be able to touch type. Scribes are able to write clearly and neatly. You may wish to read over what is being written and can ask the scribe to read back what you have written at any time as many times as you like. The scribe spelling and punctuation would be accurate. As a scribe copied manuscript, they also introduced some small changes, a word here, a sentence there. These small differences grew over centuries of copying until manuscripts of the same text become substantially different from one another. This is a serious problem because we rarely find the original manuscripts of the author today. We are totally dependent upon the copies made by later scribes. As the result, historians have to read different manuscript versions of the same text to guess what the author had originally written. On occasion, authors revised their chronicles at different times. The 14th century chronicle Ziauddin Barani wrote this chronicle first in 1356 and another version 2 years later. The two differ from each other, but historians did not know about the existence of the first version until in 1960. It remained lost in the large library collection. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.